Namaste. Welcome to Karma Yoga Center's live stream and online classes. This is just a really quick video to answer questions and explain to you what it is and how to access it and how long can you use it. All the steps that you would need to do if you are interested in signing up, purchasing, and watching our live stream and online classes. So here I am in Chrome, and I'm going to go to karmayogacenter.com. I type it in, and here I am to our web page home, and you'll instantly see a banner that you could click on. That'll take you where you need to go, or the LiveStream Classes tab. Both take you to the right place. I chose the banner, but you could have easily clicked on LiveStream Classes New. Now on this page, it'll give you some information about the LiveStream classes, the prices, and here you can see these are 2 free classes. You don't have to purchase them. You just directly click on that red YouTube button and you can watch. That'll help you understand and see and preview what the classes look like. These were once live streamed, and every live stream class is instantly archived. You can watch it 1 minute later, half hour later, 2 days later, a week later. And so you don't have to worry about being there right at the exact time, but you can be. So you can see these were originally broadcast March 21st at 9 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. Down here, if you've already purchased and you want to come back and find the classes, you can click on this big red button. Here is the class schedule. Here's a few other free classes for chair yoga for elders. All you have to do is click that red link. You can share it with anybody that you want, or healthcare workers. These are available to everybody free. And then here are your purchase options, the drop-in, the 10 class pack. And if you're already an unlimited member at Karma, you can just click on this link and sign in and access your classes. For all of the online classes, you will need to have a mind-body username and password. And if you don't have one, it'll prompt you to sign up. You'll see that. So I'm going to purchase the drop-in. I click that red button. And here it takes me to the mind-body page for Karma Yoga Center. I'm going to click the drop-in, and then I'm actually going to purchase 2 today because I'm going to demonstrate 2 things. So there I go, quantity 2. I click out of the box, it updates the price to 10, and then check out. Here's where it prompts me either to log in or to create an account. Now if you've forgotten your password, you'll click Need New Password. I have my information saved here, so I'm just going to click Login. You can also use your Facebook account to log in if you've linked it. And then this purple checkout button at the bottom of the screen. My credit card information is already saved in here, but it will ask you for your credit card information if you don't have it saved. I'll place my order, 2 drop-ins for $10. And bingo, here we are. Now, what you want to click on is book this service. Ignore view schedule and ignore view your purchase history unless you want to view purchase history. Unfortunately, this does not take you to the online class schedule. If you click this button, it takes you to the former classes at the studio. So click book this service, and then here you are. These are all the classes that are both archived and upcoming. You can see that each class starts with the date, so be sure you check the date before you click on a class. The moment you click on a class, it uses your drop-in. The click counts as the drop-in. If the links are purple with a line underneath it, it means you have available classes / clicks to use. You can see here's the day, the time, the class, and the teacher. So I'll demonstrate for a class that has already passed, that was broadcast originally on March 23rd at 9:15 a.m. What happens if you go to that? Well, you click on it, it takes you to the YouTube page, it pops up, and it broadcasts the class for you. So you don't have to be there at the time. I'm going to mute the class here. There's me saging. And so you can watch this class. You can see it's an hour and 20 minutes. It'll take you through and it'll show you the original live broadcast. Perfect. When I'm done, I'll just click out of that and it closes the window. Now see how this is left in red? This means I can go back and use that class anytime I want, as many times as I want. So once I've paid for a link and clicked on it, it's mine to use. I can go back again. I click on it, there it is again. Just showing you that you can pause out, time out, come back to the class. So I'm going to scroll down here. These are all the classes that have been archived that are available, and there's over 50 of them. And I'm going to go to a class that has not happened yet. I'm going to click on the Wednesday, April 8th, 5:45 all flow. What happens if I click on a link that's in the future? Well, it pulls up the class and it puts a picture of the teacher and a countdown live in 3 hours. Tells you what time the class is at, shows you the picture of the teacher. Well, let's say I was intending to take this class, but then something came up and I couldn't be there. Does it mean I missed it? Nope. The class is instantly archived and you could watch it 1 minute after the class started, 30 minutes, an hour after the class is over the next day. So it just streams and captures everything, and it's always there for you to watch, so you don't have to worry about being there live, but it's nice if you want the community feel to get into the LiveStream class. Now you'll see I've used up all my drop-ins, all 2 of them, so I can't click on any more links because I don't have anything else to use. But I can go back to the links I've already purchased, and they're still there for me to watch, including the one in the future. That's basically it, yogis. The only other little piece which I won't demonstrate too much on is if you go to click on a link and it turns red and nothing happens, you need to unblock your pop-ups. I'm in Chrome, so I would go up into Chrome, click on Chrome, go to my preferences. They have a pop-up or a bar to search here. I would go to my pop-up settings, and I can add the website here or allow. Every browser and every device has a little bit different way of doing this, but just as a heads up, you'll probably, if you're clicking on a link and nothing happens and it's turned red and it has a line underneath it and you're like, did it email me? Nope. You don't get emailed any links. They're right direct here, but if they don't pop up right away, you need to unblock pop-ups, whether it's a computer, an iPhone, or an iPad. All right, well, thank you for going through this. Hopefully this helps, and we'll see you online.